Commercial Roofs of Texas. I'm inspecting a roof for an annual inspection, new roof that we installed last year in North Dallas, and just checking it out. Everything appears to be in good shape. I noticed they got a new air conditioner on here, so I came over to check it out, and look what I found. Lo and behold, when the AC guy came up here, he put that there, didn't put anything on it, and now we've got holes in the roof. So that is why you want your roofer to be up here if anything goes on up on top of your roof. Just remember that your building is only as good as your roof. I'm Matt with Commercial Roofs of Texas. Give me a call.